How to fix Valorant crashing mid-game easy and quick. If you want to fix it, right click on Valorant, then enable, go to properties and go to compatibility, then enable those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator, and then click OK. After that, go to device manager, click on it, wait, uh, type here device manager. hmm, Wait, go to the device manager, and now just go to display adapters, right click on your GPU and click update driver, and then click search automatically for drivers, and now just make sure your GPU driver is updated. And after that, right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel, and here click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and close this window. Now before launching Valorant, just close all the applications that you don't need here, and also Google Chrome and things like that, then just open it. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.